Zhongshan Lanson Electronics Technology Company Limited is a professional lamp manufacturer. It was established in 2014. It is a professional LED car lamp company integrating production, export sales. The company's products include LED car headlights for lamps and motorcycle lights, etc. We have professional designers and technicians. We will launch 2+ new products every quarter, as well as a strong quality inspection team and after-sales service team. The medium-sized enterprises with 300+ employees will be the best in the industry. We have advanced machinery and testing equipment as well as well-trained workers, committed to improving the technological innovation of automotive electronics, providing you with a greener, safer, brighter, and more comfortable driving life. Most of Lanson products have passed the CE, RoHS, FCC, E-Mark certification and are exported to more than 20 countries, including the United States, Japan, Russia, Europe, South Africa, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. Lanson connects the world with the product and serves the world with quality.